Do you want to start a business in 2026? Maybe it's just a side hustle, maybe it's a full time gig. I got the perfect idea as to what you can do just to generate some extra income. I didn't necessarily do it just because I wanted to start another business. I did it to provide a little more incentive for customers to come to me as far as with the machine work and everything else, just to be able to personalize items for the customer and make it a better, overall customer experience. But let's jump into it. All right, guys. So for about, let's just say under 2,500 bucks, you should be able to have a legit setup and be able to, that's not including the computer. You are going to need a laptop. I just bought a cheap little, I say cheap, it's like an $800 little gaming laptop from Best Buy. Let's see, first things first, you're going to need a Omtech 30-watt fiber laser. That's what I bought. And you can use whichever laser you want. Um, let's see, fiber laser engraver. Let's go fiber here. I didn't get a Galvo or nothing fancy, or a Mopa. Sorry, this is a Galvo. Um, so let's see what they got here. So this is what I got. Omtech Galvo 30-watt laser. I paid $1,700 for this, and I got it with the free light burn. That way I don't have to pay for software. Light burn is pretty cool. I have that opened here, and it works pretty well. Let's see what else. Then you're gonna need a heat press from Amazon, hat, heat press, Amazon. So I bought this one right here, 100 bucks. It's not the same color, but works pretty good. And then I also got some little leather patches for hats on here. So, you can get 60 of them for 12 bucks. So it's really not that expensive. Comes out to, less than 60 cents a patch. And then if you set up an account, you get a business, sole proprietorship, you have a resale certificate, you can go buy hats and you can go to any company and set up an account with them and get hats, Richardson hats, whatever brand you like for, $5 a piece whenever you buy in bulk. So, you get $5, $6 in a hat, you sell it for $15. Depending on how much you're getting the hat for, that's anywhere from, $8 to $10 of profit on one hat. And that's only selling it like in bulk pricing for, 24 hats or more. Uh, Definitely feel like it's a good little side hustle. I also bought some of these on Amazon. Let's see, some dog tags. So you can get some of these blanks, even, military dog tag sets to make custom dog tags for people. I feel like that would be a good hot selling item. Dog stuff. That's what I bought, and works pretty good. So that being said, let's go ahead and show you all the process on how I go about, you know, marking some of these. So let's go ahead and open up. Let's just say we'll open up glucose patch. So I actually put a bunch of people's stuff in here. And here we go. So it's pretty easy to import an image. Like we can go ahead and do that. And we'll just import any of these. So now we can go ahead and move this over. Oops. Delete this one. So now here's our logo, right? And you might have to do a little bit to it, you know, ungroup some things, and delete some stuff that you don't want, right? But all in all, it's pretty easy. If y'all want to see a video on that, just let me know. Now we can go ahead and go to the laser. I need to get a patch. We have one right here. So now we have these little patches, right? This is one that I messed up on. I'm just doing this for educational purposes. So now we'll turn the laser on. And we can go ahead and kind of line it up with the frame. Make sure we're at the right height. I know my laser, it's got to be about 24 centimeters, sorry, retarded. All right. So now we can go ahead and let it eat. And I have the settings turned down real low. I feel like every patch and every logo is a little bit different. They engrave a little bit different. I did order a bunch of patches from Alibaba. They still haven't came in yet. I ordered them about a month ago. So we'll see how those are once they come in. But it's pretty simple, guys. Like literally, I really don't think I'm gonna have to, throw in what I'm doing as far as the heat press. That's a pretty self-explanatory deal. If y'all do want me to, just let me know. But it's a good return on investment. I feel like, everybody wants hats, and if people only want one or two hats, that's $25-$30 for a custom hat. So that doesn't look that great. We're gonna go ahead and do another pass here and another pass here. And that looks pretty good now. And there's different settings, in order to get stuff to come out a little bit cleaner, you're going to have to mess with a lot of little settings, but if I can learn it, anybody can learn it. So I feel like all in all, it's a good little learning experience. Obviously, don't stare at the laser. I'm not looking at it right now. I don't want to go blind. They do send you some glasses to wear as well. A little bit of PPE to be a little bit safer. And it does stink, so definitely open up the garage door. And here we go. I'm trying to get it to focus in. And disregard all this stuff. That's all nasty stuff on that upper left-hand corner. But all in all, it looks okay. There's a little bit we could fix up in here, make it look a little bit better, but... And then it's pretty simple. You get your hat, get your heat press. Go ahead and zoom out. Get your hat, get your heat press, go ahead and slap the patch on there and slap it on, and you have a good hat. I can go ahead and take off this hat that I'm wearing right now. I made this one myself. But all in all, I like these little mesh back hats, pretty good. But yeah, like I said, good little business adventure. I think it would definitely be a successful little, side hustle gig, and potentially full-time gig. If you hire somebody, pay them $20 an hour, if they're banging out 10 hats an hour, you're making a lot of profit, and you don't have to do nothing. So that being said, guys, hope y'all liked the video, and stay tuned for the next one. I got a lot of stuff in the works. I'll probably put out a little update video as to what's going on after this one. But thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.